I absolutely love this 8-pack set of clear storage containers that ClearSpace sent me. Look how nice it is. It has handles on either side, and it just makes everything easy to see and nice and neat too. Look how organized they are. What's really nice is the ones that are not in use, they're easily stackable. Perfect. It also comes with handles on either side, and this measures 10 inches by 5 inches by 6 inches. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the containers look like. It has handles on either side. Also has these feet on the corners so it gets raised a little bit off the floor. Very nice quality. And it's nice and clear so you can see everything that you put inside. It measures 10 inches by 5 inches by 6 inches. And this is an ideal storage solution for all parts of your home. This is such an ideal solution for storage in all parts of your home. Your garage, your kitchen, your pantry, your refrigerator, if you have a home office, a nursery, your bedroom, perfect for makeup and so much more. Definitely recommend these. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.